Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, let's see ano yung energies na inyong love life ngayong September 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayo makarelate. Pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So, mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar. Link on the description or comment section. Okay, let's see Capricorn. Love life. Love makes the difference. Love helps heal past hurts and provides a sense of security and self-worth. So, you are healing. So, maaring meron kang naging traumatic experience in your past relationship. Now, you are focusing on yourself. Self-love, self-care. Because you can take care of yourself, diba? Destiny, the reunion with your twin flames is a destined event. Ubo, bigla may pa-destiny ha. May reunion. O, baka ano. Okay. That makes sense. Kasi you are healing your past hurt. So, maaring may babalik sa buhay mo. Bibigyan mo ng chance kasi sa pakiramdam mo, na-heal na yung inyong relationship. Dahil alam mo, sa tingin mo, siya ang true love mo. Now, you are putting your whole heart sa person na to. Very rare yan sa mga Capricorn. Pwedeng it's either kayo yung may kasalanan at some point. Kaya, pwedeng kayo yung babalik. Kasi, you realize na ikaw yung nagkamali. Or pwede rin namang, meron talagang person na babalik sa buhay mo because you just want to give this relationship a chance. Okay, in a relationship, the lovers. May tawag ito. Sabihin ko communication. Commitment. Commitment. Ay, kaya pala. So, maaaring nagkaroon dito ng trust issues. May mga bagay na itinago. May mga bagay na hindi naintindihan. Kaya, nagkaroon ng problema. So, ngayon, you are trying to fix it. It's either your person mo, nag-e-effort, or ikaw. Page of Swords. Merong mga naimbunyag na katotohanan. Pwedeng may involvement rin ng ibang tao na nag-guarantee na, you know what, I guarantee this person na totoo yung sinasabi niya. Mga ganun. This is uncovering the truth. And I think mas open ka ngayon sa, mas malawak yung isip mo in dealing with this person. Natin, itong 7 of Swords? 6 of Swords. Okay. So, I think you are choosing to move forward or to move on doon sa naging problema. Maaring sa tingin mo, pwede pa talagang maayos yung relationship. So, if you are single, Page of Wands. Okay, you are enjoying your life, Capricorn, para sa mga single dyan. Maaring meron kang friend, close friend, family, you're focusing on mga new experiences, travel, trying new things, especially with your family. So, focus yung attention mo sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Family members. Merong may mga travel opportunities with them. Can be a celebration as well. You have the Strength card, yes. So, mas pinalalakas ninyo ang relationship ninyo, connection ninyo sa mga mahal nyo sa buhay, like family members, friends, or yung mga immediate family members. And if you are single, pwedeng merong magpakilala or may maipakilala sa'yo na potential romantic partner sa pamamagitan ng inyong kamag-anak or family. Like for example, yung pinsan mo, pinakilala sa'yo yung kaibigan niya. And then, nagkaroon kayo ng parang nag-jive yung inyong personality, may chemistry, 'di ba? So you might want to pursue that relationship or connection. And I think part na rin yan nung healing process mo na you will let yourself to get into a new relationship kung sa tingin mo tapos na or natutunan mo na yung experiences mo, yung lessons mo doon sa past. So it's all about, being open to new connections. Ayan. So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. See you again.